Hi everyone, welcome to week 7. This week is light on due dates, but it is a very important week nonetheless. So this week we are putting together our rough draft, and I want you to check in with me and have a meeting with me either in person or online so that I can see where you are and check in with you to make sure that you are on the right road. So that's the big focus of the week. We'll also, of course, still have our The Immortal Life of Henrietta Lacks book discussion. So let's click in here. So just to walk you through some of the things I have for you, there is a sample APA paper from the OWL at Purdue, which is really a nice sample to look at because it has wonderful explanations of what everything is and how you do everything. So take a look at that when you have questions about setting up your paper. And always remember also that there are videos and resources within our course resources on our left-hand side of our Blackboard menu. This next thing down is our informational paper, our informational research paper assignment sheet. This is just for your reminder about what the purpose of the assignment is, so you are informing your specific audience about your particular topic. Okay, so next is our Sign Up Genius for our week together. So I have lots of times here that you can sign up, and I hope that you do. I hope some of these work out. If none of these work out for you, please let me know and we can schedule another time that will work out for you. All right, and then last but not least, of course, we have our Common Read discussion. Our leaders this week are Emily and Abby S. So hopefully Emily and Abby will get their questions posted as soon as possible so that that discussion can begin. All right. As always, please, if you have any questions, let me know. Send me an email, give a call. I look forward to meeting you this week.